Are you joining BDS this year? Wondering what first year is daily like? Is it difficult? Which subjects will you study? Do you get clinical exposure? In this video, I will answer all your questions and clear all your doubts. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm a first year dental student, and on this channel, you will get a real glimpse of dental college life from practicals and lectures to hostel fun, study struggles, and little moments in between. So, if that sounds like your vibe, don't forget to subscribe. And let's get started in today's video. So, starting with subjects, in first year, you will have to study total 5 subjects: anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, dental anatomy and dental histology, preclinical prosthodontics, and dental materials. Now, coming to books, for anatomy, you can prefer BD Chaurasia Volume 3 and 4 or Visram Singh Volume 3. For physiology, you can prefer AK Jain or Sambulingam. And अगर आपको यूनिवर्सिटी टॉपर बनना है, so you can also prefer Gaitan. For biochemistry, you can prefer Vasudevan or Satyanarayana. These 3 subjects are common for both MBBS and BDS. Yes, first year में हमें MBBS की तीनों subjects पढ़ना होता है. Now coming to dental subjects, in DA you have to study Wheelers and for DH you have to study Auburn's. Now coming to last but not the least, for dental materials you have to study Philips. And in preclinical prosthodontics there are mostly practicals in first year. Each first year difficult? Honestly saying yes. But सब starting के कुछ महीनों में ही it is difficult. But if you are from all India quota, it becomes worst for you. Like me, I am from Bihar and currently I am pursuing my BDS degree from SCB Dental College and Hospital, Odisha. स्टार्टिंग में तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. एक तो स्टेट चेंज हो गया, कल्चर चेंज, लैंग्वेज बैरियर, डिफरेंट फूड, तबीयत खराब. बट ठीक है, धीरे धीरे सब अडेप्ट हो जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. नीट के टाइम पे तो हमें स्पून फीडिंग कराया जाता है, बट इन कॉलेज एक लेक्चर के एक पीपीटी में एक चैप्टर ही खत्म हो जाता है. स्टार्टिंग के दिन में तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता है क्या करे क्या नहीं करे. एंड 9 to 5 की मजदूरी वो अलग, उसमें भी 75% का अटेंडेंस का टेंशन. क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर, नो, फर्स्ट ईयर में एज सच कुछ क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर नहीं होता है. Now coming to video lectures, for anatomy you can prefer the Goat Aswini sir lectures, or you can also go for Johari MBBS. For physiology you can prefer Atri Club or Ashish Agarwal. For biochemistry, the one and only Jambulkar sir notes and lectures are enough. For DA and DH you can go for Dental Med, EG Dentistry or Dentogen. So wrapping up this video for now. If you have any doubts regarding BDS, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching, and if you like my vibe, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.